Thailand, a land of culture and beauty. From the magnificent seascapes of the south, the megacity of Bangkok, to ubiquitous temples, ancient ruins of Ayutthaya, to stunning waterfalls and landscapes. We're coming to you from central Thailand, located in a small farm village in Chainat province, a mostly flatland area known for its bird park, rice fields, and waterways. Welcome to Thailand Central.
Hi, welcome back to Thailand Central. Happy New Year, 2021. This episode, we're going to take a look from the mountaintop of Khayai overlooking Chainat City, and then we'll browse around the bird park there, and come and look at the Tesco-Lotus, our local supermarket, and see what kind of offerings they have in there. And then we'll return home, where we'll have a little fair, I guess you'd call it, a nighttime fair. Very local, very small, but kind of interesting, and we hope you enjoy it. All right, let's go this way. Go ahead.
look through these chains here in the doorway. So we got this side and this side of the entrance. And it's rather, I mean, these are, those are heavy.
I am strong.
All right. And here we are.
This went from a 3 to a 1. Really?
Well, here inside the aviary, we haven't been able to spot any birds, though we saw a little baby alligator. And that's why the entry fee was waived. It was free to get in here. Now we know why. Not much in the way of birds.
1 out of 10. False advertising.
Well, you can't beat the price. It's free at this point in time. Although it is kind of a nice park still. There isn't any birds of exoticness. Well, hey there, little fella. Now that was cool. Alright, this is our local Tesco-Lotus.
Kentucky for Christmas.
Alright, so we got this thing that checks to see if you have a mask. I do have a mask. So that took a while. And this is what Lotus looks like inside. Got a nice little Southern coffee. Smells good. And have a nice little place. And this is your typical mall. Got baked goods. And of course your 1 gold shop, 2 gold shops. And of course the Christmas tree of stuffed animals. Bicycles even. Alright, so we have a little carnival tonight, or something.
สำหรับทีมที่ 4 นะคะกำลังเข้าให้กรรมการได้ชิมกันนะคะทีมของโรงเรียนชุมชนคลองจันทร์นะคะ
อันนี้เป็นฝีมือของเด็กๆนักเรียนเลยนะครับผมซึ่งใส่ชุดมาเป็นทีมสีเหลืองเลยอย่าลืมนะครับผลการตัดสินของ4ทีมเราจะประกาศผลในวันศุกร์ที่18ในพิธีเปิดนะครับพร้อมเป็นการมอบรางวัลประกาศที่8เดียวเลย
They spruced up the bridge. Another fountain here. What's up? Look at that. What?
Ooh, there's some colored light. It's very cool.
That looks kind of neat.
ค่าวัสดุอุปกรณ์ด้วยนะคะทีละ500 บาทนะคะ
Holy cannoli. Those are some big looking cannolis. What are you doing with that? As you can see, our mango trees are flowering, which means we're going to have some mangoes pretty soon. And our tamarind tree here is just drooping with weight from all these tamarinds that are growing, as you can see. And it's just getting started. It's still even flowering. And there's tamarinds everywhere already. And they're pretty heavy, so they weight down the tree quite a bit. And this here is a jackfruit tree just outside the factory here. These cactus plants are actually they call galmangong or dragon fruit. And then we have a noina tree, which you may know of as a sugar apple. And then behind here we got some galanga, quite a bit. And here we have some mulberries. They are fruiting a little bit, but it's winter, so it's not the most robust. But we tend to get mulberries several times a year. They don't seem to be particularly seasonal. And here we have our moringa tree. Leaves are extremely nutritious. And then we have a lime tree over here, and another lime tree here. Of course, chili plants like this one tend to grow wild, and they can pop up anywhere around the Propatan. And over here, that's a new one actually, but here we have some Kaffir Lime. As you can see, they have the double-lobed leaves here, and they have very pungent citrus flavor. Very delicious in Thai food. Very essential. And it looks like we're growing some galanga or ginger that's just been planted. And here we have some roasted chilies drying out that new sister does to make her nam pik pao and other types of nam pik. And over here we have a little herb garden kind of spread around. This is actually Italian basil, so I use this in my Italian cooking. Of course, some green onions, scallions, and this looks like some type of I don't know if it's cumin or some type of basil. I don't use this one myself too much. But here we have some holy basil. You can tell by the purple flowers. Some more onion. And they just planted some new herbs here. Over here, some more holy basil. And we had some lemon basil at one point. She's doing that. We got some aloe vera. Some more basil. And some mint. Some Thai mint growing here. Very good in some dishes. And her sister loves to grow these orchids. And they're everywhere. This looks like lemon basil here. Boy, a whole lot of it. And I believe this is capral herb. Lemongrass. Lots of lemongrass. And these crawlers here are actually, as you can see, winter melon. Got a couple of them there, actually. And there's a big one. And you can see lots of lemongrass. Go through a lot of that. More lime trees. And herbs growing all over. Here's a nice little setup here. Let's take a look. We got a little flower. How about that? So it looks like, is that cumin? Some papaya back there. Looks like caprao. Some galanga perhaps. And that looks like a guava tree actually. Not sure what this red one is here, but it sure is a lot. And that haystack there, that's for growing mushrooms actually. This is our little garden area here that we share.
Well, that concludes our episode this time. We hope you enjoyed it and found it interesting. Hit the like button and smash that subscribe button. And if you can afford to, please donate to our PayPal account. Maybe we can upgrade our equipment and continue this channel. See you next time at Thailand Central.